guys, it's Emily and Sophie. Look at Sophie's hair today. It's so cute. She's got little cat ears. Can you see this? There's no wire holding these up. Tell them how you did it.
I put mousse in it and then I flat ironed it like sideways to make it sharp.
Isn't this cute? Meow. Oh, puppy wants to come. Hi guys. Okay, Sophia made some really cute earrings for her cousin Mary Jane for Christmas, and she made a really cute watch keychain for Lindy. And I thought they were so great that I asked Sophia if she would come and do a tutorial on Shrinky Dinks, because when I was her age, I did Shrinky Dinks, and it's kind of a lost art. So Sophia's gonna bring it back. We found a great kit on Amazon that came with a bunch of earring accessories. What do you call them? Like hoop rings and hooks and things to make jewelry out of, and keychains.
Like this.
Yep. And it also came with like 25 pieces of Shrinky Dink paper. So we're gonna put that link in our description. But Sophia told me for my birthday that she would make me some earrings and do a video on it. So she's paying up.
I'm making my mom some jazz earrings. I just looked up a picture and drew it. And then I'm gonna...
Do you do the mirror image of it? Do you do the opposite? Or do you do the same?
It's just gonna shrink, it's not flipping or anything.
But they're both gonna be going the same way?
Oh.
Seems like one has to go one way and the other has to go the other. Otherwise, is that weird? To have them both going... Or no?
I don't know. I'll flip it anyways.
So you're just doing this from a picture off your phone that you found. Did you trace it?
No,
You just drew it. You just are freehanding this.
Mm-hmm.
And how much does it shrink, Sophie?
3 times smaller.
Oh, okay.
I think you can only use colored pencils.
Why? What would happen if you used a marker?
I don't know, but I just said not to.
Okay. Maybe it would just rub off.
Yeah.
So colored pencils or crayons.
I actually don't know if you can use crayons.
Okay, let's just stick with colored pencils.
That's worked. And I'm just cutting out an oval around it.
This is what they look like before they go in the oven and shrink.
Size comparison to my hand. We're doing it in the toaster oven. Baking them.
At what temperature?
375.
Really? For how many minutes?
Like 2 or 3 minutes. Just until they're all the way shrunken and flat.
So do you just watch it?
Yeah, you just watch it.
Okay. Yay! Did you put your hole?
Yeah.
Let's see. Right there. Oh, yeah. Okay. I'm so excited. Convection bake at 350 degrees We'll see how long this takes. I'm gonna sneak a peek. It's only been 1 minute. Oh! Is that normal?
Yeah.
They look like potato chips. That's normal? Whoa!
Yeah, close the door.
They curl up that much?
Yeah. Yeah. That's why you can't have like little parts on your leg. Well, you just do a whole circle.
Oh. And not like that, the
And
end
so
of the
cutting
note?
out. Yeah.
Oh. How do you know it's done, Sophie? How do you know?
Yeah.
They're looking so cute. Sophie, let's see that.
I think you can take it out now.
Really?
Yeah. When I burned my earrings.
Oh my gosh, those are so cute.
I'm gonna flatten
Okay,
it.
but don't put that right on my countertop.
Right.
Okay.
I'll take it off in a second. Just make sure they're flattened.
Let me see. Those are so stinking darn cute.
There.
Okay, Sophia, tell us what you're doing now.
I'm putting Mod Podge on.
So the Mod Podge helps it so the colored pencils don't bleed or smudge.
Yeah.
It's just kind of, it seals it maybe. Does it seal it?
Yeah.
Looks like you're laying it on pretty thick, Sophie.
Yeah, I want it to be nice and shiny.
I love these earrings because they're lightweight, they're really cute.
Yeah, I thought they'd be a little bit smaller.
They're personalized. Oh, I wish you would have written your initials on them or something. This is what they look like with the layer of thick Mod Podge. And we'll let that dry. We got this Mod Podge just at the Dollar Tree for $1. It's not that big, it's only 2 ounces, but really, I mean, this lasts you a long time, right, Sophie?
Yeah.
Okay, I want to show you what I'm going to do. Okay, Sophia punched holes in these, and this is where the jump ring is going to go. But do you see how it got filled with Mod Podge? I'm just making sure, oh, there we go. Just making sure, I'm just putting a toothpick through it so the hole doesn't get glued shut. This kind of is like glue. It's kind of like Elmer's glue, but it dries clear. There's our holes. Okay, we'll let that dry for probably half an hour. We're back. Do you notice anything different about me? Look at these beauties. Can you see it? Look at this earring, Sophie. I made me. There we go. Let's get a good look without a glare. There it is. Utah Jazz custom made earrings by Sophia. One of a kind. She's taking orders for whatever you like.
I'm charging $20 a pair.
I love these earrings, Sophie. They're so light. They're so cute. The Jazz have a game tonight, so I'm sporting my Jazz shirt and my new earrings. These are going to be good luck earrings. They're playing the Bucks, so they're going to need some good luck. I love these, Sophie. Thank you so much. Adorable. Shrinky Dink earrings. Love them. Thanks, Sophie. Go Jazz. Go Shrinky Dink earrings.